just
Oh, you want one or two, babe?
Yeah.
You guys, he's gonna try asparagus again. I'm so excited.
I don't like the taste. I just know it's good for me and I should eat it just because it's good
How
for
about
me.
that?
That's plenty.
Is that good?
That looks great.
Okay, bon appetit.
Thank you, honey. Mwah.
Hey, hi, I'm Amy. So thank you for joining me in my little kitchen. I'm so happy that you guys are here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. It's Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. I'm so excited because my daughter Molly and her husband Joel are coming into town. It's kind of like a really quick visit. I made strawberry hand pies for them. Fresh strawberries from the farmer's market or from a strawberry farm. But today I'm going to make chicken cordon bleu. It sounds so fancy. I feel so elegant when I say that. Chicken cordon bleu. What I did pound out the chicken. These chicken breasts, this was from a local meat market and local farmers. The chicken breasts were really big and I thought, you know, that's just too much to put on a plate. So I pounded out the chicken and I cut the chicken breast in half. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast. And what I'm going to do, because I usually like doing this with my chicken, is that I'll just lightly dredge it through flour. That's all I'm going to do. Just the moisture from the chicken, the flour will adhere to it. And then I'm going to cook it over here on my cast iron because I think all of this chicken pieces will fit in that better than my other pans. And then I've got Black Forest ham because I think that's a good ham. I didn't want honey bake, you know, that sweetness. No. So Black Forest ham. And then you can use whatever cheese that melts well. I think provolone is good. This here is Swiss. I wouldn't recommend mozzarella for this one. Anyway, I'm using Swiss because I wanted thin slices because I'm gonna layer one on the bottom and then one on the top. And I didn't want it overly cheesy. So why don't we get started? I'm gonna add some flour to the plate here. I'm gonna say about a half a cup. I'm hoping that'll be enough. Guess what you can do? Just add more. And of course you wanna season your chicken, so I'm gonna add some salt. And of course the ham will have a little salt, but you definitely wanna season your chicken when you cook it. Some pepper, mix this up a little bit. Then I'll get some olive oil heated up in the pan there. So I'm gonna take you guys all the way over here and a cast iron pan or whatever oven safe proof sauteed pan that you can stick in the oven works as well. So what is it, stainless steel or any oven proof pan will work. I just happen to be using my cast iron. So I have my oven heating up so that when I'm done searing and cooking the chicken, we'll get ready for the cheese and the ham. So I've got about, I don't know, a tablespoon or more of olive oil in here. I have my flour seasoned with salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna lightly dredge my chicken pieces. Now, you did not have to slice your chicken in half. To me, it was just, I don't know, it just made it more palatable and not these big, huge chicken. And there's several different ways to make chicken cordon bleu. The more traditional way, you will have like a sauce. But because we're gonna do a little bit of the sauce when we put it in the oven, I think that will be the substitute. Okay, I've turned over most of my chicken. I think that one's getting ready. So my chicken is done. So I'm just going to turn this off because I have the oven all set. This will keep warm for a little bit and we'll make our sauce, prep the rest of the chicken, and we'll get ready to eat. Okay, we're gonna get ready here. I'm going to make a little bit of the sauce. What is the French word? Mascarpone cheese? I didn't have that, so I'm using ricotta, and I'm using the classic ricotta. So get ricotta that does not have all the sugar in it. Did I say 6 tablespoons? Well, we're gonna switch that up. I'm gonna maybe use 4. little bit of mustard. You can use Dijon mustard, or I'm using my new mustard is stone ground mustard or deli styled mustard. I really like that. I've got my chicken looking like that. They're nice and brown. I took the temperature. They should be cooked inside. We're just gonna lightly broil them. I've got a thin slice of cheese on one, slice of ham on another. Oh yeah, and then we're gonna just put a little dollop of the cheese mustard sauce. And then we're gonna top it with the cheese. And we're gonna do it for the rest of them. We've got that, a slice of cheese. And if you wanted to layer it with, let's just try this one with 2 pieces of ham. It's up to you, one's enough, but if you want to, that works as well. So I pulled out the chicken Cordon Bleu from the oven, and look at the cheese has melted. It's nice and toasty brown. And I think if you still wanted to go ahead and add additional sauce to that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can find the recipe on my YouTube channel for chicken Cordon Bleu, and I'll give you that more traditional sauce if you still wanted to add, that to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and dish up Chris first because he's hungry.
Hon, is dinner ready?
It is, babe. Are you ready?
I'm so ready. Oh, and that looks so good.
I hope it is. Oh, you want one or two, babe?
Yeah.
You guys, he's gonna try asparagus again. I'm so excited.
I don't like the taste. I just know it's good for me, and I should eat it just because it's good.
How about that?
That's plenty.
Is that good?
That looks great.
Okay, bon appetit.
Thank you, hon. Mwah.
Okay, there we go. I've got a little bit of chicken, definitely the cheese. This is definitely an easier version, and I love making chicken Cordon Bleu this way. I think it's quick. You can get a kind of like a fancy dinner on the table really quickly. Doesn't take a lot of time. I mean, this probably didn't take me more than maybe 20 minutes, maybe half hour at the most. But I would also suggest that if you wanted to go ahead and use the traditional sauce on chicken Cordon Bleu, I think it would go well in here too. Even though I did put the sauce on here, it kind of dissipated, kind of floated out there. So I wouldn't mind just like a little drizzle of that traditional sauce. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, and I'll add that sauce to this recipe. So thank you for joining me in my little kitchen. I hope you give this a try. You can find this recipe and all of the others at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. So thank you for being here, and keep gathering around the kitchen and the kitchen table. So till next time, bye.